In this video we will share and discuss staff management and staffing management plan templates. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Please like and share this video because we need your support. Watch the video till end, so that you may have better understanding. Let's start the video. The staffing management plan details the project's human resources requirements and how those requirements will be fulfilled. The staffing management plan is a required subsidiary plan of the project management plan and is a required deliverable of Phase 3 planning. The staffing management plan details the project's human resources requirements and how those requirements will be fulfilled. The staffing management plan includes several sections like project roles and responsibilities, summarizes the responsibilities for each role required to conduct the project work, project staffing estimates, identifies estimated staffing requirements, acquisition strategy, describes when, how, and from what sources staffing will be acquired, training plan, identifies skills gaps and details specific training requirements for each project team member, organizational chart, displays project reporting relationships. You can download staffing management plan templates and 300 project management templates at www.pm2biz. Please make sure you have subscribed the channel. Do not forget to like, share and comment on this video. Your feedback is very important. Stay tuned and keep in touch. See you in the next video.